Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you about why I refuse to stack platinum and why I won't be investing in it. Now this is probably a controversial topic for those of you that have started stacking platinum, and there are more and more people stacking platinum now, and these are just my opinions on why I won't be stacking it, and I'll be interested to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. So do let me know your thoughts on platinum and if you've got it in your stack, and your thoughts in general about the metal as an investment. So for me personally, I currently only stack silver and gold. I like to keep it simple. I like to stick to investments that have been around a lot longer, a lot more recognised as an investment. I see that when platinum goes on the second-hand market, it tends to hang around a lot longer than gold and silver. If you put a gold or a silver coin on the second-hand market, it's snapped up fairly quick as long as it's priced right. However, if you put a platinum bar or coin on the second-hand market, even if it's priced really good, so like a lot closer to spot than the gold and silver coins, it tends to hang around a lot longer. They're just not very popular. They're not as liquid as gold and silver. They're not really understood as much as gold and silver. And I do understand the advantages of having platinum in your stack. Don't get me wrong, I've done a bit of research on it. I understand how it has so many industrial uses. I understand that it's used in catalytic converters in cars. I understand it's used in jewellery. I understand it's actually very scarce. I understand that it's actually more scarce than gold. It has very, very similar uses to silver. And that's another reason why I'm not too interested in it, because for me, silver ticks all the boxes. If you speak to anyone that doesn't even stack precious metals and you speak to them about gold and silver, that they've heard about gold and silver, they know about gold and silver. If you offered someone that didn't know about precious metals a platinum 1 ounce coin and a silver 1 ounce coin, I guarantee you they'll take the silver 1 ounce coin because it's more recognised. People don't really look at platinum as being an investment, in my opinion, as much. It's only recently that people have started taking it seriously and started adding it to their stack. So yeah, it's just a number of reasons why platinum's not for me. For me, I like to keep it simple. I don't want to just buy some platinum just for the sake of saying I've diversified my stack. I've bought a 1/10 ounce of platinum. I bought a 1/20 ounce. I bought a ½ ounce of platinum. Even if I bought just one whole ounce of platinum, just to say I've diversified, I think it's yeah, a little bit pointless. A 1 ounce platinum coin is not far off the price of a 1 ounce gold coin. And I'd much rather save that extra £300-400 and buy 1 ounce gold coin. For me, buying a platinum 1 ounce coin, it doesn't really excite me. I put it next to my 1 ounce silver coin and it looks very, very similar. I know it's more dense, weight-wise it feels heavier, but it's not as shiny. It's a hell of a lot more expensive. It just doesn't really excite me. I'd rather pay a little bit more and get some gold. Also, I find that platinum is quite overpriced. I find you pay quite a premium on it. So yeah, just a number of reasons there why I refuse to stack platinum. Like I said, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.